You want to be rich? You want to be rich? Everybody wants to be rich. So go ahead and buy my book for 3 easy payments of $59.95 an hour, and you can learn how to sell books to people who want to learn how to sell books to become rich.
Shipping and handling not included. No funds allowed. We are not responsible for divorces caused by spending one's life savings. If you conjure up demonic demons and unleash hellspawn onto this earth, we would never hear. This book is for entertainment purposes only. We make no promises or offer no guarantee this book will not give you cancer. Enjoy.
What's up, rock stars? Being an entrepreneur has become all the rage these days. You have tons of YouTube channels, books, speaking tours, talking heads, crazy nut jobs, and just some broke ass people with no jobs running around calling themselves entrepreneurship, and they have no business doing so. I'm talking about you, Jimmy. But the reality of being self-made and having a successful business is incredibly more complex than most people think. There's more to it than just hustle, but there's also a lot less to it than most people think. I know what you're thinking, but Mike, aren't you an entrepreneur? And yes, I am. And this video is in no way a knock against being self-employed or independent or starting your own business. This is just my honest opinion on the path that most people should take before heading down the entrepreneur route and the benefits of said path. And let's be real, some of these things I wish I had known before starting my own business and getting into a lot of trouble. I could have avoided a lot of headache. All right, so these are the top 3 reasons why you should stay at your boring 9-to-5 job when starting your own business. All right, so number 1, working a boring 9-to-5 job. That's pretty much the mantra of most entrepreneurs when you ask them or when they hear this, but hear me out for a second. Working a boring 9-to-5 job will help you gain the necessary experience to not only provide value to the marketplace, but also to learn how to run a business, how to deal with customers and employees and coworkers. Without having a basic understanding of this, what real value can you actually provide to the marketplace? Why would anyone hire you if the only experience you have is basic entry-level stuff? All right, number 2. Cream. Cash rules everything around me. Dollar, dollar bill, y'all. I'm not sure that's how the lyrics go, but you get the point. I'm gonna tell you right now, having a steady money supply coming in when you're getting started at first is amazing. All right, so here's the hard truth. No money, no food. No food, you die. Pretty simple, right? But too many people with no money, in particular real estate agents, are jumping into the deep end, hoping and praying that like money just magically falls out of the sky. Working a steady 9-to-5 will allow you to build your cash reserves up so that you can later invest those monies into your business, or at least have a nice cushion when it comes to actually going independent full time. Honestly, if you're going into business for yourself, you're gonna need about 6 months worth of money saved up, but ideally, and that's 6 months is the bare minimum. What you truly want to shoot for is 2 years worth of cash reserves to pay all your bills to make sure you're good. All right, so number 3, working a boring 9-to-5 can lead to the creation of some of the most amazing friendships and partnerships that you'll ever have. There's a lot of truth behind the saying, it's not your net worth, but your network that makes you wealthy. And let's be honest, think about it. When was the last time you actually made a new friend? Well, gee golly, I was on the job site. You see what I'm saying? As an adult, it becomes really incredibly difficult to make new friends outside of work. Not only can working a 9-to-5 job help you connect with some amazing talent, you'll also be able to find some mentors, guides, and people who genuinely want to help you advance in your career and your business. All right, so that's my take on the top 3 things that you should do before getting started, sticking with your 9-to-5 job. So what do you guys think? Have you started your own business, or you think about starting one in the future? Go ahead and put your comments down below and share with us. And if you're thinking about buying or selling a home in the future, why go with anyone else when you can go with the Rockstar team and we can get you home in style? Not in style, but you want to be rich? You want to be rich? You want to be rich? You want to be... Why can't I talk?